So students, today we are going to learn how to construct an angle equal to a given angle and how to bisect an angle. First example, draw an angle of any measure and name it angle A. First of all, draw a ray. Now at this point, from this point, draw a ray so that we could get an angle A of any measure. There is no need to measure this angle. Now using compass and ruler we are to draw another angle equal to this angle A. For this we will draw one ray and now we will use our compass and keep it at point A and mark an arc like this. Fine. Let us name this point as P. Now first of all, keep your compass at this point. Let us name this point as B and of the same radius we will draw one more arc. Right? Now at point P we will keep our compass and measure this length. Now we will keep our compass at this point and mark an arc of the same measure that we have taken from here. Now we have drawn this arc. Join this point with point B like this. Now if we will measure angle A, let us see, we are getting the measure of this angle equal to 50 degree, and if we check this angle, see, we have got again the measure equal to 50 degree. It means we have constructed an angle equal to angle A. Whatever was the measure of angle A, same measure we have got of angle B. And at end we will write angle A equal angle B equals 50 degrees. Similarly, in next question we have to draw an angle of 150 degree using protractor, that is using this, and now using compass we have to draw another angle equal to angle ABC. Same method will be followed as we have done in our question number 1. Now I am discussing the next concept to bisect an angle. Question is, draw an angle XYZ equal to 90 degrees. Using compass and ruler, draw YO, the bisector of angle XYZ. So first let us draw an angle XYZ equal to 90 degrees. First step, draw a ray. Keep your protractor at this initial point of ray and now join this point with this. We have got angle X, Y, Z equal to 90 degree. Now very important concept we are learning here, how to construct the bisector of any angle. Keep your compass at this point of whose you are going to do the bisector. draw an arc like this. We have got two intersecting points. Now keep your compass at point, let us say A and B, one by one. Now draw two arcs like this. Got an intersecting point. Now join this point with Y like this. Now if we check using protractor, we are getting the measure of this angle equal to 45 degree, and same here, that is measure of angle XYO is equal to 45 degree and ZYO again equal to 45 degree. Sir, question is, are they equal? So we will write at the end, yes, angle XYO is equal to angle ZYO equals 45 degree. Now we have completed our worksheet number 2. So it's your homework to complete worksheet 2 of chapter 14 in homework notebooks. Thank you.